Don't start powering with them. If they get in front of us, that's fine. That's what we want. These waves are really screwing us over right now. Just try to keep that pace, guys. Guys, I'm really loving what I'm seeing. Let's go, Aiden!
Yeah, Aiden!
Let's go, Aiden! I just turned it on just a little bit ago. I'm not going to get a very good angle though, because... Sorry, you guys have Aiden though. What can we do? Hey, don't yell us!
Aiden, John will be!
That's BM, man. Good stuff, Aiden. That's what I like to see from a Mount Abe guy. Guys, we're actually in the lead. This is kind of cool.
We're actually in the lead by like ratio. I like this.
They're going to come up, though. They're going to come up. Keep this up. I want to see some longer recovery, though. Give me a longer recovery, a longer stroke. Yeah, like that, like that. Long recovery, long stroke. 1-to-1, yet still long.
Guys, we're beating the shirtless people. Let's go.
We're beating men without shirts on, guys. How do we feel? Big, handsome, muscular, cute. Okay, don't laugh. We can't laugh or else we're not going to do real well. Guys, I'm loving this. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Let's keep making that gap larger and larger, guys. One thing that our boat's got over them is that we got more people. We can last longer.
Are we racing against ourselves?
Yeah, practically.
Yeah, we're racing against
I mean, we win no matter what, so like easy dub.
That's fine.
Yeah. I'm just so glad that we're in the lead so I don't have to yell. Guys, if we get first place here, I'll start howling. As a little prank. Wouldn't you hate losing to a team that howls and barks? Yep. Let's hope that you're not going to get a very good angle. Let's go, Aiden!
Yeah, Aiden!
Come on, Aiden! Give us some more! Nah, Aiden, you got that! And you, Oak. I think that's his name, right?
Yeah.
Oakley. Oakton. Let's go, Resistance! Let's go, Nah, Resistance is cooler. Actually, Resilience is sick, though.
1, 2.
The shirtless guys are chanting.
Waves are really cool.
I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna... Alright guys, longer strokes. Actually, I like what I'm seeing actually. You don't have to change it. Miss Warden would be proud. Let's spread our wings and go to the skies.
There is something in my shoe and I think it might be alive.
If it's alive, squish it.
No.
Yes, please. It'll die and then you won't have a problem. Bro, why are they both so behind us? Alright, on this turn, I'm gonna want to really... This turn's gonna suck, I'm just gonna be honest.
The pine cone.
Oh, sick. Yeah, let them burn their energy. Let them do that. They're a bunch of, like, they're just gonna burn through it all. Let them pass us if they want to. They're both wearing out each other right now. Are you sure you don't want that shoe back?
Yeah, fine.
All right, get that stroke back. Get that stroke back.
1,
Flynn.
3. 1, 2,
Keep with Flynn, guys. I like this. Trust. Flynn, give us some more of a straight recovery.
Helping a lot right now.
What?
The waves are actually helping a lot.
Yeah, I think it's, their boats go with the waves, but I think it actually ends up hurting their boats a lot more.
They're colliding.
Oh, let's go. Thank goodness. Guys, if we get first, this is going to be sick. Oh my God. Let's go, Aiden! Woohoo! Oh my God, this is so exciting.
Alex, go.
Well, don't get excited yet.
I can't. What?
The buoy is going to be so far.
No, we only get a howl if, like, we
Alex,
win.
where's the buoy? Can you see it?
Yes, we're getting
Okay.
closer. It's so far out, it's gotten even way farther.
And then the other one's right over there. I can see it.
I like how they don't tie an anchor or anything to it, they just let it drift. Like, ooh, sick. I love having the buoy this far out. So guys, this turn's gonna mean a lot. If we do a bad turn here, they're gonna pass us easy. I messed up in the last turn. It's just gonna be a really tough turn. I don't know what to do. I don't. So, you know what I wanna do? Listen to me, starboard side, when we get to this turn, we're not like close yet. We're kind of close. Anyway, starboard side, listen to me. I want you guys to power as hard as you can for this turn. Port side, on this turn, this is so difficult. Port side, I'm gonna want a backwater. All right?
All right.
Try not to get too close to the buoy.
Yep. They're gonna want to get between us and that buoy, so we're gonna have to do this really quickly, all right? I'm gonna stand up for this. And because I want to show it on camera. I have no idea what this is recording, so this angle might suck. All right, we're getting to that buoy. All right. Start to hold. Crank it. Hold. Hold. All right, fall in. Oh my, go. Let them get ahead, let them get ahead. All right.
We're not going to burn the boat. They don't really want to do that.
Guys, get back in their ratio. Oh no, not this again.
Guys, stay with the ratio. This is a longer race. Tire ourselves out, we're doomed.
We're done if we tire ourselves out. Keep with it. We will catch up to that other boat if we keep with this pace. I promise you. Trust in the process. Please. That wind feels so good right now. I love that.
It really does.
Knock the ice out, or it's wrong.
Yeah, cut us, take them off.
I'm not cutting them off. That's going to make us worse. I'm not doing this for the placement. I'm doing this for the time. Because honestly, that's all that really matters to me. Exactly, but still, cutting them off is going to be worse for us. It's going to make their placement worse, but it's also, they might get a place behind us, but that also means that we're going to go way slower. And honestly, I like the competition. It's more fun that way. Let's just keep this up, guys. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Oh, is that the buoy?
Bright orange.
Wait, is that? Oh, there's one like way, way, way out there. Jesus Christ.
Yep.
Holy crap. I don't even think that team notices though. Like they're going straight for the other one. They're gonna notice eventually. Guys, keep this up. No powers yet. I want us to burn through it at the end, the way end. Let them power, let them waste their energy. Don't try pulling ahead of them.
We're giving them ideas.
Yeah, exactly. That's kind of the point.
Hello.
Guys are doing great. Thanks, bro. I'll race you there.
I'll race you there. Whoa.
I wonder why.
Yeah, race you there, man.
Hey team, how you feeling?
Bye.
Oh my God.
Precious. Whoa, man. You know, it's not our fault that we're gonna touch. Yeah, let's go CVU.
That's not CB2.
It isn't? That's Burlington? No, that's CVU. Is that not CVU?
Alex, how's this for a ratio? Am I kept with it?
I really want a longer recovery. That's not good at all. Guys, longer strokes would really help us right now. Oh geez, they got in front of us, now we're catching up to them. Oh my God.
Aiden!
Oh, let's go, Aiden! No, it's okay, CVU.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, finally, they stopped cutting us off. Sick. They were just like... Yeah, friendly competition, guys. Oh no, CVU thinks that's a buoy. Oh no, I really want to warn them at the same time. I want to win. They're going towards the wrong buoy. Is that the right buoy?
They can't hear you.
Are...
Hold on. Which buoy?
Which buoy are we headed to? The one way out or that one?
You ever walk in?
Way out? Okay, sounds good. That's what I thought. Jeez.
Hey, Beck, how you doing?
Let's not talk right now. Let's just focus on our boat. Guys, if we keep this up, we'll win. Longer strokes will have more of a chance to win. Stronger strokes will have more of a chance to win.
Guys, they're not that far.
No, they're not far at all. We're actually gaining on them at like a really good pace. We're about to pass them.
Come on, guys, longer strokes. More power, slightly more power.
Yeah, just slightly more.
Recovery.
Yeah, really work on that recovery. Maya, you're just kind of sticking it in and putting it back out.
I'm working on it.
I know, just want to point it out. I know, it's fine though. You're doing good, Maya.
Let's code for
We have the best angle on the buoy, guys. Let's keep this pace up. Well, I'm not going to let CVU pass in front of us again, though. That would be detrimental now. Nina, you're doing great. Keep it up. Oh, sorry.
No, it's fine. Watch the waves.
Guys, all that's really going to matter is this next turn. We're not even close yet, but... All right, guys.
Most of our energy for this.
So I'm going to do our first power right now. I know I said I wouldn't, but this really matters right now. Power 20. 3, 2, 1. Power! 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're not going to let CVU get in front of us, guys. Come on.
1, 2, 3.
you two.
Come on, guys. All I can like ratio.
Guys, longer strokes, longer strokes.
Yeah, you are. Please.
Oh yeah, you want to bet? Power 10 in 3, 2, 1. Power! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, can you don't have to steer too close. Longer, longer! CVU Coxon, if you keep rolling into us, I'm not going back again! CVU Coxon, please stop rolling into us! Because I'm going straight, you just... Alright guys, be careful!
Really sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, alright.
Come on guys, just keep the same pace! Doesn't even matter!
Okay.
Okay, CVU Coxon, please stop steering into us, please, 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 please! I know, but we're gonna both be behind them no matter what! Alright guys, if we just roll harder, we don't have this problem! Give me some harder strokes! Let's get ahead of them!
Let's pass it up. It's not acceptable.
It's acceptable! Very much so! We must stay ahead! Come on guys, give it all you got! Come on! Power! 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 Yes! Yes! Woo-hoo! can get ahead of us at any moment if they can just turn better. Their boat turns way better than ours. Starboard, as hard as you can. Port side, raise your oars. Oh shoot, the buoy's moving, the buoy's moving. Starboard. Jesus Christ, why does the buoy keep moving? Starboard, power. Port side, backwater. All right, fall in, power until the finish line. Power. Get back and sink. Come on.
No!
Stay ahead. We got this. Let's go. Give me power. 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 What?
Power.
Power. Power. Power. Power. Power. Power. Power. Power. Power. Power. Power. Power. Power. Power. Power. Power. They will not pass us. Power. 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 All you've got. We're almost there. Power. 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 Don't stop. Long and strong until the end. Power. 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 As hard as you possibly can. Power. 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 Guys, we get first. Power. 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 Guys. Power. We're gonna get first. Power. 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 Yeah, we will. Power. 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 Power.
No!
Wait. Wait. That was us. We got first.